At ZESTRON, we are the experts for cleaning and reliability of electronic assemblies. Our broad portfolio of cleaners is an elementary component on the way to your perfect cleaning process. Whether for the SMT area or for power electronics, we have the right cleaner for removing flux residues, organics, and particles. In power electronics in particular, optimum surface preparation for subsequent processes is crucial to guarantee reliability. In particular, the deoxidation of copper substrates plays an important role for subsequent bonding, molding, or sintering. Our VIGON PE series cleaners ensure optimum surface cleanliness and conditioning. When cleaning assemblies, our VIGON A and VIGON N series cleaners in particular deliver very good cleaning results, even under low standoff components. Another advantage is the excellent material compatibility of our products. Good results without attacking chip passivations or sensitive metals. Water-based solutions can be found here in our VIGON product group and the single-phase cleaners in the HYDRON product group, especially for immersion processes. They offer excellent bath life and environmentally friendly cleaning without flashpoint. The alternative for solvent-based cleaning processes is offered by our ZESTRON product group, whose cleaners are based on modern, modified alcohols and impress with their good cleaning performance and high loading capacity. For stencil cleaning, our water and solvent-based products from the VIGON, HYDRON and ZESTRON ranges offer a solution for every process and, in particular, environmentally friendly processes without rinsing water. Our HYDRON cleaners are also an effective and fast solution for maintenance cleaning, allowing us to remove contamination from tools in the SMT production chain, such as soldering frames, without leaving any residue. In general, our broad portfolio of cleaners offers a high degree of flexibility and can be used in a wide variety of processes depending on individual customer requirements and optimally tailored to your needs. Are you interested? Please feel free to contact us.